everyone! Are you ready to learn about all the animals on the farm? Let's go!
The cow says moo, moo, moo. The cow says moo, moo, moo. On the farm the cow says moo, moo, moo. The pig says oink, oink, oink. The pig says oink, oink, oink. On the farm the pig says oink, oink, oink. The chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. The chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. On the farm the chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. The sheep says ba, ba, ba. Okay, the farm the sheep says ba, ba, ba. The donkey says hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. The donkey says hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. On the farm the donkey says hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. The duck says quack, quack, quack. The duck says quack, quack, quack. On the farm the duck says quack, quack, quack. We learned the sounds on the animal farm. Now we can sing them all day long. The cow says moo, the pig says oink. The chicken says cluck, oink, oink. On the farm the pig says oink, oink, oink. The donkey says hee haw, the duck says quack. Now it's time to say hooray. See you next time and sing and play.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I will catch up in the next video.